Some people are coming. So that we are going. I don't know. Yeah, good question. Yeah. They allege me that I slept with a boy of 16 years. Yeah. It was what they told me to, if I start begging, everything will go easy for me.
Who told you?
The officers.
At any point, did you at any point yes or no? Give 5,000 naira to the girl?
Yes, I gave money because it's not only him that I have given money in life.
Why did you give him money?
Why I gave him money?
Yes.
I gave him money for swimming and for internet games.
Okay, is that how you give? Wait.
No, he asked me.
Is that how you give boys? You are so great or got charity. You dash people money. Now we've gone to your place. Why didn't you give us money to swim?
Because
is that how you give money?
No, it's not how I give money actually. But he begged me to do that because he needed to swim, and you have to pay before swimming.
Okay.
The case against you is not just one.
He has yes.
There are so many other boys. Even today, so many other people.
So I want to tell you something. There is I want to tell you something that competitors in hotel business and the people, the hoteliers around me want me to go down by all means because I have taken most of the customers.
Still, have you ever had any form of sexual?
No, sodomy.
Yes.
It's the same thing.
No. Yes, I never did unless if the judge convinced me of that.
I was in my room while I was chatting on WhatsApp. Somebody chatted me, my classmate. His name is Balogu. He chatted me. He sent me message. He now called me. Told me that there is an update. The name of the update is Papa. I said, which kind of update is that one? He said that the man is going to give me money. I said, you are writing me. That what's the meaning of that one? That why will I see something that will give me? He now sent me the man and sent me. He told me to talk to the man. He was sending me the things, the exact statement I would tell the man. He was telling me to do copy and paste. The man now told me that I'll meet him tomorrow, the next day, at BBQ Arena Junction. That's the name of the junction that I said I will meet him. So the man picked me in his car. The man took me to his house. The thing that when he took me to his house, he locked the door. From there, the thing that occurred. The man gave me 5,000 naira at first. Then I now told Balogu that the man gave me 5,000 naira, and the 5,000 would only reach for my transport. And I told Balogu that the money that he gave me is not enough, that we cannot share it, and I did not even know that this is the kind of thing that was going to happen before I went there. He now told me that it's a lie, that we should go and meet the man again, that the man should give me money. I now went the second time. That's when the man now gave me 5,000 naira again, making 10,000. The man also gave me transport for coming to the junction, which is 3,000.
So, okay, he did it twice.
Yes, sir.
He did it with you.
Yes. He had sex through my anus twice.
He called me the night. Then he tried to lure me into a gay relationship, and I told him I'm not interested. Then the recording of him confessing that he was a gay to me, because I used to go to his hotel to go and swim, so I recorded it. Then I recorded it, but I told him no. Okay, when I told him no, that was all. I did not do anything again after that. I called he told me when he was trying to tell me that he's a gay, I told him that I'm not interested. Then when he tried to lure me, he told me that my classmates was also involved in it, and I still told him no. Then the classmates he mentioned, I called our other classmates that same night to report the classmate that I mentioned, because he sent some proofs. He sent screenshot of him sending him money. So when I reported him to them, one said you should go to his house and confront him. Then we went to his house. He denied it. He said the screenshot, the money that the man sent to him was money for salary. That he's not doing anything with the man. Then when we went to him, then he went to the man to go and tell the man that why is he lying on his head about this salary screenshot. Then the man called me and told me that he told me something and why am I telling my friends about it? That if I'm not interested, I should leave it like that.
This is because the suspect, Mr. McDonald, had carnal knowledge of a 16-year-old boy, whose name I will say I won't mention, in his hotel premises. Now this happened and he threatened, having done that, he threatened the boy that if he should mention anything to anybody, he was going to go insane. So this boy, with the fear, but he eventually did, opened up to his mother, who he told the mother that this is what this man threatened him with, and the mother encouraged him that he should go on and tell her what happened between himself and the man, which he did. And when he did, the parents, worried as they are, they took the matter to Isheri to Isheri police station, where they made the complaint. Now, having laid the complaint, the suspect, Mr. McDonald, was invited by the Isheri police station, and he, rather than reporting to the police in Isheri, he decided, probably he felt he could actually pervert justice. He decided to come to Zone 2, where he came, paraded himself as a complainant, and claimed that the DPO was threatening him, and then the DPO was biased. So, having reported, the police swung into action, and okay, I must mention that even while he was at Isheri, medical test was carried out at Mirabel Medical Center on the boy, which the report, I will say, because there are speculations going around that the report from Mirabel Center was doctored. I want to say that the report from Mirabel Center was not doctored on the case file that was transferred to the zone. Now, to ascertain the veracity of the claims, the victim underwent medical examination, just like I said, at Mirabel Medical Center. Additionally, a close friend of the victim who was present at the hotel premises also corroborated the allegations of the victim. This friend confirmed that the suspect had been engaging in a lawful act with the victim, because he said the victim told him of the experience and then the encounter he had with him. And he also made the police officers understand that he also made an attempt to him, and he declined and said he wasn't interested. Now, furthermore, it is important to know that the suspect allegedly threatened the victim with psychological harm should he reveal the secret to anybody. Investigation uncovered also the unprofessional conduct of the initial investigating officer, who is the IPO, who removed the key witness statement from the case file before transferring it to the Zone 2 Police Command. The IPO has since been detained and undergoing disciplinary measures.